Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the source and target. This prevents mismatches later. Once done, export or snapshot current attributes so you can restore if needed. Next, open your editor and load both objects side by side. This gives visual parity. Make sure to note each attribute name, data type, and valid range so you avoid type coercion. Finally, select the first attribute pair to swap and prepare any conversion or normalization steps you identified. You now perform the core swap using a temporary holder to avoid overriding. Copy source to temp, move target to source, then put temp into target. Once done, apply any conversions you planned. That prevents precision loss or format errors. If your environment supports transactions, wrap these three operations so you can roll back on failure. Make sure to test with one attribute pair first. This validates the method and reveals edge cases before you batch the rest. You finish by validating every swapped attribute against your recorded expectations, types, ranges, and relational integrity. Once done and all checks pass, commit changes or save the new state. If anything failed, roll back immediately to the backup snapshot. Make sure to run a quick end-to-end test in the real workflow so any downstream effects surface. If problems occur, focus on temp variable sizing, type conversion errors, or permission blocks. Address those first, and then rerun the swap on a small subset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.